Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video I'm talking all about forced perspective. So let's get into it. Forced perspective is basically the process of placing an object or a person in the foreground or the background and making them appear larger or smaller than they actually are. Now, a popular film to utilize this effect is Lord of the Rings. Now, the actors that played the hobbits in the Lord of the Rings were not actually small. They were actually regular sized men, but using forced perspective, it made it look like these people were much smaller in the film. So now that we've cleared that up, how can we use this in our films? Let me give you a quick example. If I take this coffee cup and I put it right here next to the lens, it's filling up most of the frame. Now, if I was to walk back, all the way back to about here, I'm only really small. So if I was to put those two together, the coffee cup would be large and I would be small. Now, see what I mean? Forced perspective is making that cup look massive and I look absolutely tiny in comparison. There it is, right there. How funny. The one thing that you need to remember when doing forced perspective though is do not have a low aperture. If you've got an aperture of around f1.8, then this just is not going to work. Your foreground or your background is going to be completely blurry and the viewer will instantly be able to tell that there's a distance between the foreground and the background. So to do forced perspective, we need to drop our aperture down to around f22. We need to close down the aperture as much as is physically possible and get rid of that blurriness from the shot. So now that you've closed down your aperture to around f22, all you need to do is place an object in your foreground and in your background and you're done. That's it. Forced perspective is really simple. It's just a simple camera trick. There's no editing involved with this. All you need to do is just get it right in the camera. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe if you would like to see more videos like this one in the future. Thank you ever so much for watching. I really do truly appreciate it. I hope you're having the most incredible day today. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.